Hello everyone. Welcome back to my class on retail promotion. Our today's topic is types of advertisement and their purpose. I'm your trainer Priyanka Majumdar from Retail Services Northeast Skill Center. Our lesson objective is to identify the 4 types of advertisement, explain their purpose. Objective versus types of advertising. In our previous class, we have discussed about the objective and purpose of advertising, that is informative, persuasive, reminder, and reinforcement. Then now, let's talk about the types of advertising. Teaser advertising, humor advertising, shock and sympathy advertising. Different types of advertising. First, there are 4 types of advertisement. Teaser advertisement, funny or humor advertisement, shock advertisement, then sympathy advertisement. Now let's talk about the teaser advertisement. It builds curiosity and interest and excitement among the customer. A new welcome, a new filling station, the new to fill up, something new is coming. So, if I can remind, before 2 years back, we have seen an advertisement like Tiger aa raha hai. So it has created a curiosity among the consumers that what is this tiger is all about. So after 6 months or 7 months, they have revealed that this tiger is not about a biscuit. This is about a cement company, a new cement company. So this type of advertisement builds curiosity among the customer. It generates excitement and interest towards your products amongst your target audience. So why we need or why a retailer need teaser advertisement? It is used for major product launch. When you are launching a new product, new movie or TV shows, we need this kind of advertisement. So when we see a trailer of a new movie, so it comes under teaser advertisement. Draws attention to upcoming advertising campaign. So when a retailer or a marketer releases the teaser advertisement, it draws attention to the upcoming campaign or to the upcoming product. Generates publicity. When public become enthusiastic to know about your product, it generates publicity among the target audience. Sampling of new product improves reaction. When people were given with samples of the new products like the sachet of the new shampoo or some trailers of new movie, so it becomes easy to determine the actions or reaction of the audience. This is another example of teaser advertisement where hoardings are made for the entry of a new product in the market. Let's have some more videos on teaser advertisement in our next slide. Funny or humor advertisement. The purpose of funny or humor advertisement is makes people remember and talk about it. We as a human being always remember the feelings, the emotions which are funny or humor or which gives a very emotional or kind of good experience to us. So retailer or the marketer generally use this type of advertisement so that their customer remember about it. Brings about the feel-good emotion to its target audience. Customer tend to purchase the product or service that make them happy or feel good. So when you will develop a feel-good factor about the product or service, as a customer, you will go and purchase the product or service. In our next slide, we'll see a small video clip about the funny or humor advertisement.
सुशील, हमारा बेटा बहुत कुछ सिखाता है हमें। वो पापड़ कैसे रोस्ट करते हैं, वॉशिंग मशीन में सब कुछ धुल सकता है, गुरुत्वाकर्षण यानी ग्रेविटी क्या होती है। तो आपके पास कोई वैक्यूम क्लीनर, डीवीडी प्लेयर, वॉशिंग मशीन, लैपटॉप या एक्वेरियम हो तो उसे हमारे लिए OLX पे डाल दीजिए।
करेक्ट, ऐसे बहुत से लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं आपकी चीजों का।
Next in line, we have shock advertisement. The shock advertisement generally aims to capture the attention of the audience. The shock advertisement actually a negative advertisement. It creates a huge impact on the consumer purchases and brand image.
मनुष्य के स्पंज समान फेफड़े हवा सोखने के लिए बने हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग फेफड़ों को बीड़ी सिगरेट का धुआं सोखने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। एक आम धूम्रपान करने वाले व्यक्ति के फेफड़ों को अगर आप निचोड़ कर देखें तो इतनी मात्रा में आपको साल भर का कैंसर पैदा करने वाला टार मिलेगा। इतना टार आपको बीमार, बहुत बीमार बनाने के लिए काफी है।
The shock advertisement purpose are it's to educate the audience and encourage desired actions. It is generally for some social marketing campaign. In our previous video, we have
I'm the
seen
sous chef here.
the
If any luck, I should be head
advertisement or the
chef by
shock
next year.
advertisement regarding the
I've got this
use
amazing
of
fiance.
tobacco, how it can
Who I won't
damage
be
our
marrying
lungs.
this weekend
So, in the advertisement,
because I'm about to be in a
It
terrible
is
accident.
encouraged
But really,
not
I
to
should have cleaned up the
buy
grease over there,
tobacco.
and they should never put the deep fryer so close.
So these are another some example of shock advertisement. It is related to one of the product which deals with tobacco. In the next line we have sympathy advertisement. The sympathy advertisement arouses the sentimental emotions. These are not only the images or the slogans. These are the slogans or images or advertisement that try to educate or persuade the viewers. They are strategically manipulated the consumer's feelings and stimulate the emotional triggers that influences how we make decisions. An emotional ad may be designed to incite anger, sadness, or joy, all targeted towards the brand or our end goal. These are some of the example of sympathy advertisement. The purpose of sympathy advertisement is commonly used for fundraising purpose, helps charitable organization to meet their funding targets. This is another example of sympathy advertisement where a campaign is against the landmines. Now do a small recap. There are 4 types of advertisement we have discussed in our class. The first is teaser advertisement, which builds curiosity, interest and excitement amongst the customer. Next in the line is funny and humor advertisement, brings about the feel-good emotion of its target audience. Third is shock advertisement, which aims to capture the attention. Last is sympathy advertisement, which arouses sentimental emotions. Thank you so much for the class and thank you so much for your attention. If you have any queries, you can contact me in my number, that is 8474 077 687. Stay home, save life.